They say curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeters square and the slant height is given as 14 centimeter. So they meant CSA of cone is 308 centimeters square. The slant height represented by L is given as 14 centimeters square. They are asking us to find the radius as well as the total surface area of the given cone. Now to find the radius, we can apply the curved surface area formula for this. We know the formula for curved surface area is pi RL equal to 308. Now you see students, pi value is 22/7, already I mentioned. Radius is what we need to find and the slant height L is already given, which is 14. So we have only one unknown here, that is its radius. So going ahead with the calculation, we will get the value of R, that is the radius. So once you know R, once you know L, you can easily calculate the total surface area of the cone as well. So check out the calculation. So you see one of the unknown over here and it is being solved, and the value that is obtained, the radius of the given cone is 7 centimeter and the curved surface area and the slant height is also given over here. Going ahead, since they were asking about the total surface area of the cone, we know total surface area is equal to pi r into L plus R. We know the value of pi, we know the value of L. Substituting all of them, this is how it look like, and the final answer for total surface area of cone is 462 centimeter square.